And Mastercard is warning about the impact of coronavirus on its business. Visa and American Express all getting hit hard in today's sell-off. Let's get to Kate Rooney. She joins us with more on the effect on these companies. Kate?
Hey, Kelly, we've seen this payment sector absolutely booming this year, really priced for perfection. The coronavirus is turning out to be a bigger headwind than we thought. You mentioned Mastercard cutting its revenue guidance, having its worst day today since 2011. Also, the CEO stepping down as well. Visa hasn't gone the same route. They haven't cut their revenue guidance yet. But CEO Al Kelly mentioning this at Investor Day a couple weeks ago, saying essentially if hotels and flights are being impacted and there's any sort of consumer impact, Visa will feel the effects. PayPal is seen as a little bit of a safer bet, more tied to e-commerce, but that is also still down today, although it's outperforming the others. Square has zero exposure to China. 95% of its revenue comes from the U.S. Still, though, it's taking a hit. Analysts say that's more of a risk story, and people are kind of selling those growth stocks. But the payment sector really getting knocked off its pedestal here.
And I guess that's to be expected, Kate. Well, the one question that, or I guess the one concept people keep coming back to is, you know, look, worst case, everyone's shut inside. They're all going to be shopping on Amazon and, you know, using those online payments and doing everything from their homes that they can that's possible. Do you think that's a little too oversimplified of the way that the economy or that the payments or that these card companies work these days?
Analysts have already been mentioning that, especially with PayPal. They say e-commerce is a little bit safer, although, the way that these card networks work, they still benefit if you're paying online. But names like PayPal and then Square, of course, is sort of more of a resilient name if you're looking inside the U.S. But then, of course, you have fears. I know you spoke to Larry Kudlow earlier, but fears of this spreading to the U.S. But analysts are definitely thinking that way and looking for a little bit of insulation.